I am the father of Iman Atienza. Even now, I still can't accept the fact that my kind-hearted 9-year-old daughter is gone. When she died, she thought everyone hated her, yet she still chose to warm others with her smile. A week before she passed away, she softly told me about her 3 wishes. Her first wish was for the world to be a little kinder. She said, "Dad, I'm not afraid of criticism, but I wish people could show more kindness." She had seen too many people hurt by words online, including herself. She wanted those struggling with depression to keep living. She was just too tired. Her second wish was to create a foundation to help young girls, those who are misunderstood, mocked, or ignored, so they could know they are not alone. When she spoke of this, her eyes were full of light. Her third wish was the one that broke my heart the most. She said, "If one day I'm gone, please tell them not to cry or grieve for my death." I didn't understand what she meant at that moment. Now, looking back, I can't stop my tears. In just 19 short years, she taught me what true courage means. She also taught me that a smile doesn't always mean happiness. Thank you to everyone who loved her. Please remember her not for her passing, but for her heart that longed to make the world a better place.